Well, this is day 2 of my stripping down of this boat. I've cleaned off the back sides, both sides, and also decided to clean off this front bit. And I found some quite surprising things. I don't know if you can see that, but it seems to me that this piece of wood here is shored up underneath with blue tack, and the same goes for the next one. Maybe I can put the camera down here. How about that one? That's got blue tack on it, and we got blue tack there, and here. This boat is held together with blue tack. So now it made me think the blue tack must be there for some purpose. So let's just look at this. See that? This is not bonded to this. Nor is it down there. Maybe we need some light on that. Should be able to see that there. And this blue tack here is probably because, actually that's alright. This side is alright. Have a look at the bow. And of course I thought, what's this white tape doing on here? What's that for? Well, it seems that it's there to hold the port edge of the ship onto this deck here. Clearly this is cracked along here. All along here. So whether water pours in along there, I wouldn't like to say. I think it's highly likely. I'm going to take this tape off, and then I'm going to take this piece of deck off, and we'll see what we find. There's quite a lot of gunge in here now because I've been scratching with a chisel and so on. So I'm minded to get my pressure washer out, and don't think it can do any harm to clean it out. This transverse bulkhead does not connect with the sides of the ship, of the boat, which is pretty useful. Well, that's where we are today, Monday. I went out and bought a piece of 9mm marine ply to replace that sub-deck thing that I took off yesterday. It cost me 33 quid for an 8 by 4 piece. Well, I trust it comes in useful sometime. Well, I couldn't resist pressure washing it. Thing is, does it look any better now? Well, see, this is a bit like dusting a car engine because you can't be bothered to work out what's wrong with it mechanically. But anyway, it's a lot cleaner now, and cleanliness is necessary if we're going to glue any further epoxy resin or whatever to this thing. Definitely got to do something with the bow here. I'm reluctant to take this decking off actually. We've got to make sure that there's no leakage through here or through here. There's no point in having all this watertight if there's water leaking in through here or along here. So I've got to do something about that, but this decking may be part of it, may be just fixing along here, or it may be, I can't see in underneath there, structurally part of the bow. So I'm a bit reluctant to take it out. I might just cut out this resin here and put some fresh stuff in. We've got some problems at the stern. This is loose and has got to be fixed somehow, and then this is flaking off. It's probably, oh, there it goes. Well, that's not quite so serious, we can deal with that. But this seems to be loose there. So that's got to be dealt with.